Executive Chef Dennis Vieira here at the Red Clover Inn, and this is how you make tuna ceviche. Ceviche is the process of cooking a fish with acid, i.e. lime juice, grapefruit juice, anything with citric acid. And it works really well. It's very popular in South American cuisine. Also Spain and Greece use it as well. Here in America, it's been a new thing, especially in Florida, Miami area, southern parts of the country, and a lot of city restaurants use it as well. It's a wonderful product, and it's also very healthy for you. Today, the ingredients we have is ahi tuna. We have some sliced shallots. We have some diced, peeled, seeded tomatoes. We have lime juice. We have Meyer lemon juice. Cilantro, a little olive oil, some kosher salt. Also, you can use a sea salt as an alternative. We have some julienne red peppers and some heirloom cherry tomatoes and a little bit of fresh parsley. And we're going to get together and show you how to make tuna ceviche. So to start off, we're going to slice our tuna. Nice thin slices. I'm going to add these thin slices right to the bowl. We're going to season this with a little salt. And we'll take some cilantro and do a very coarse chop on it. Now we're going to add our shallots. Same thing with the peppers, the diced, peeled and seeded tomatoes, the heirloom cherry tomatoes, and a little bit of parsley in there to balance out the cilantro. Now we're going to get ahead and squeeze some lime juice and some Meyer lemon juice. So altogether, this is going to be the juice of about 1 lime and 1 Meyer lemon. Kind of circle this around, mixing all these ingredients. You can see the tuna almost kind of turning a little bit different color than when it started. Starting to get a little white around the edges. And if you could smell this right now, it has amazing scent off of it. We'll let that sit for a few minutes before we add the olive oil. And when we come back, you're going to have a wonderful tuna ceviche. So as you can see, the tuna right here starts turning this little white. Starts turning a little white on the edges and right on top. And that's the acid cooking the tuna. At this point, we're going to add a little bit of olive oil. I'm going to mix that in. Okay, so what you want to do to plate this is you want to put the tuna right on the bottom. Then you want to take all these nice aromatics that we have, kind of make a line right over the top. I'm going to take this wonderful liquid we have here, and we'll sauce the plate with that. And we'll come back, clean it up a little bit where we spilt. And we're just going to top it off with a little bit more cilantro. And that's how you make tuna ceviche. I'm Executive Chef Dennis Vieira here at the Red Clover Inn in Mendon, Vermont. Bon appetit.